In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a content calendar in Asana 5 minutes. By the end, you'll have a streamlined project where every social post is planned, assigned, and scheduled all in one place. Start by logging into Asana. From your workspace, click the plus icon to create something new, then choose New Project. You can build from scratch, but to move fast, pick a template. Select the marketing category, then choose Social Media Calendar and click Use Template. This gives you a ready-made structure designed for publishing across platforms. Give your project a clear, searchable name that matches how your team thinks, like Q1 Social Content Calendar or Brand Content Pipeline, and select the right client or workspace so it lands where your team already collaborates, then continue. Set a practical start and end date for your planning horizon, monthly or quarterly works well, and create the project. Now fine-tune the setup so it fits your strategy. You can use the templates, built-in fields, or create your own to align with business objectives and audience needs. Many teams map goals like awareness, engagement, or conversion directly to fields, so it's easy to filter later. Set up sections or custom fields to separate platforms and content types. Think Instagram Reels, LinkedIn articles, or YouTube videos, so everyone knows where each idea belongs. Treat each social post as a task. That task should represent a single deliverable tied to a date. Inside each task, add subtasks that mirror your workflow, such as draft caption, design graphic, get approval, and schedule. Assign owners and due dates to subtasks to keep handoffs smooth and visible. Enhance clarity with custom fields. Add platform status, like idea, drafting, approved, or scheduled, content pillar, and campaign. These fields make it simple to filter, sort, and report without digging through comments. Switch to calendar view to schedule visually. Drag and drop tasks onto the dates you plan to publish. If timing matters, add times to your due dates so you can see spacing at a glance and avoid crowding posts. Open each task and add the content details your team needs to execute. Paste the caption, include links, attach images or videos, list hashtags, and assign the task owner. Use the description for final copy and the comments for feedback so context stays in one place. Finally, add automations and tracking. Use Asana rules to update status, assign reviewers, or move tasks when due dates change. Then build a dashboard to track volume, status by platform, and campaign progress so you can spot bottlenecks and keep your calendar on track.